Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Pancit Canton. And here's our ingredients. First, Pancit Canton. Next is our cabbage. Pork cut into cubes. Chicken liver cut into cubes as well. Chicken breast or pecho. Squid balls, I cut it into 4. Soy sauce. Carrots cut into strips. Celery cut in strips. Bell pepper in strips as well. Chopped onions. Minced garlic. We also need ground black pepper, chicken stock cubes, and water. Let's start by boiling our chicken breast. Once our chicken is cooked, hihimayin na natin to. Then set aside. Next is mag-iinit na tayo ng mantika sa pan. Once mainit na yung oil, mag-stir fry na tayo ng pork. Continue frying hanggang sa maging ganito na yung kulay. Next naman is our squid balls. Stir fry lang din natin siya. Then, chicken liver naman. Stir fry as well hanggang sa maging ganito na yung kulay. Start na tayo mag-isa. Onion first, then garlic. Then, yung hinimay nating chicken. After nating isang kutsa, lalagay na natin yung carrots. I-mix lang natin, and then ilalagay na natin yung celery. Next, ilagay na natin ang bell pepper. Then, yung cabbage naman. I-mix lang natin ng i-mix. Now, ilalagay na natin ang soy sauce. Once na mix na natin ng maayos, ilalagay na natin yung sinet aside na baboy. Then yung chicken liver naman. And of course yung squid balls. Mix, then add ground black pepper. Then haluin natin at iset aside muna natin to. Ito na yung naset aside natin na sahog. Ngayon, simulan na nating lutuin ang pansit. On the same pan, maglalagay tayo ng water, soy sauce, chicken stock cubes, and ground black pepper. Tapos, pakuluin lang natin, then add na natin yung pansit. Next, haluin lang natin to. Make sure na yung mga nasa ilalim, ilalagay naman natin siya sa ibabaw. Para pantay nating maluto yung pansit. Hanggang sa maging ganito na ang itsura. I-mix lang natin ng maayos para evenly cooked yung ating pansit. Once luto na, ibabalik na natin yung sahog. Then, haluin lang natin to. Then, plating na. And tapos na tayo!